In this video, we're going to show the user what preparations need to be made within the toolkit to get ready for the examination results coming in August 2019. Begin by clicking on Data Management and on Mapping. This automatically defaults to open on the KS4 screen, and as you can see here I've got a result type called KS4 Exams. It's up to the user what you call that result type, but you need to make sure that all your exam results aspects from your management information system are mapped into here, and on results day when they come into your management information system you need to do an import to make sure that all this is showing white and that the results are in. Then we need to go on to data settings and default result types. All the reports that were built within Gradeset look at current data, and so the current for the specific year group needs to be pointing to the exam result type. So on year 11 in this example, current is pointing to KS4 Exams, and likewise for year 12 you would need to make sure that that was pointing at exams, and for year 13 if you've got results coming in for those. Now we're going to open and save the exam results analysis templates that we've built. So begin by clicking on Gradeset, maximise the screen, click File, Open, and from File. We'll send you these and you'll have a list like this. This is for KS4. This is KS4 and the file's called Data Explorer, and then you need to import each of these reports one by one. You must stick to the naming structure that's here exactly without the DE. So in this instance I'm going to import headline, open. Wait for the report to open. This does take some time, some of them are quite large analysis reports. Once a report is open, you click File, Save, Locked, and then you've got to save it in a certain category. I've already created a category called Exams KS4 2019. This is very important that you stick to this naming convention. This is a KS4 report, so the category must be called Exams KS4 2019 in that format there, otherwise it won't feed through to Gradeset. So we choose that category and we're going to call it KS4 Headline P81, and I've got that from there, KS4 Headline P81. Click Save, Save Complete. It's going to do that again, so go on to Gradeset, maximise the screen, click File, Open from File, locate a report, Subject Report Part 1, Open. Wait for it to load with the data. Click File, Save, Locked. Locate the category. This is KS4. And again, Subject Report PT-1. And I've got that from there. That's that middle part of that naming. Click Save. Save Complete. Now we're going to go on to Gradeset. So we click on Gradeset. And we're going to create a category called Exams KS4 2019. Again, this has to be very strict on the naming convention for it to feed through from Gradeset. Exams KS4 2019, OK. Select that from the drop down, and this will list all your subjects that are mapped into your KS4 screen. Now the three different types of report on here, there's a KS4 detailed report, which is a standalone report, a KS4 exam summary, which is a standalone report, and then there's a subject report. So to start with, I'm going to add the two standalone, and I'm going to call it KS4 detailed report. Add and close. And then again, add, and I'm going to call it KS4 exam summary. Add and close. You may think these haven't come in, but they're at the bottom of the screen. It's up to you, but we advise that you drag and drop them to the top of the screen. And you do that by clicking on them and dragging them up like this. Only takes a couple of seconds to do. That's at the top. And then the exam summary one as well, the same thing, drag and drop. So you've created the category within Gradeset and you've created the two standalone reports. Now you need to load them from what we've sent you. So on Contributor, I'm going to choose Manager as a contributor. You must give it a contributor. Click Edit. I'm going to load, and then I'm going to go on to KS4 Report Manager, locate it, and this is the detailed report. Open, save, save complete, close the report down, and this one again on the exam summary, I'm going to give it a contributor, click Edit, load, locate the file, open, save, OK. Close the report down. So as you can see, there's two standalone reports there. Now we need to add the individual subject reports. I need to do this one by one. So I'm going to start with English as an example. Again, I'm going to give it a contributor. I'm going to click Edit. Load. And then it's a subject report. Open. Save. Save. OK. Close the report down. So I'm going to do that again for maths. Contributor. Click Edit. Load. Subject report. Open. Save. This will just take you a couple of minutes to go through each of your subjects and make sure that they're all got the contributor in there for the subject report. Just close that down. We would advise that before you do all this, that you check that your Year 11 are the right number of students and everybody's in where they should be. So you could go onto your diagnostic tools. I only chose 15-16 because this is a training toolkit, to make sure that you've got the right number of pupils there, and you can change that if you want to. So they're the preparations that you make for the KS4 2019 exam results coming in, and the same process for KS5 2019. Thank you.